Hey guys, this is some chicken breast with some onions and hot pepper and some garlic in there. I'm just gonna fry this up a little bit. I'm actually making some spinach. So that's been frying there, seasoned black pepper or whatever seasoning you want to put in it. And here's the spinach all cut up here. And this spinach is Chinese spinach from the Chinese Sanwa here. So we're gonna put everything in there and let it cook up nicely. Everything goes in there. And let it simmer down, and then you could add your salt to